Hello and welcome to this edition of Cooking at Doc's. I'm Molly.
I'm Erica.
And in honor of Easter, we are going to be doing deviled eggs.
All right, so you need, of course, your eggs. Then you want some Dijon mustard, mayonnaise. We're going to put in a bit of bacon bits, cheddar cheese, and salt and pepper to garnish on top.
So first thing that you got to do is you got to cut your egg in half. And then take the yolk and put it in a
that
separate
slid out
bowl.
nice. All right.
Well, we
All right.
have to
Yeah.
put all
There we
this
go.
in here.
Thanks. Have I ever mentioned I don't really like eggs?
I hate the smell.
You're going to love this dish then.
Deviled eggs are the only way I'll eat them. That and I think it's sunny side up. I call them dippy eggs.
These are the runny ones.
Because then you can take the toast and dip in them. As a kid,
You are
it's all I would
21,
eat.
and it is unreal.
Deviled eggs or dippy eggs?
You are graduating in a month.
Yep.
All right.
Sorry.
Eggs are cute.
Do we want to just put this in with that?
Oh, this one is
Ooh, a little cracked.
a little bad.
Start on a new plate.
So see what you're doing.
Awesome.
All right.
Cool. Now, grab this. Do we mix this part up before we start putting
No.
stuff in? No.
No.
All right.
All right. After you put all your yolks into a mixing bowl, you take your other ingredients, and I like to start with mayonnaise. And you use about a quarter cup.
You just happen to know what a quarter cup is?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. And just mix it up.
You add about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Bacon bits to your liking. I really like bacon. And cheddar cheese, shredded cheese.
How much of that?
I would say like a handful and a half.
All right.
About that much. And then you stir it together. Does it need more mayonnaise?
I think it needs
Did
more.
I?
I would say more
Mustard?
mustard.
It said a teaspoon, that's why.
Use those muscles.
Yeah, why are you holding it so... Get in there.
Work it. No, Jess uses her hands.
Jess does use her hands.
I mean,
I
I
didn't
did
think I
wash my
put in
hands.
too much mayonnaise. I think that's a good amount.
It smells only like mayonnaise right now, though.
Because it just says that's the most potent smell.
Just remember.
I mean, I think
mayonnaise
egg
is
usually is.
My nose is kind of stuffy, so I don't really smell anything. But
Well, you can do a little taste test. Yeah,
Do you
spoon's
wanna?
there, so hey.
All right.
always taste your food. I think that tastes fine.
Cool. Do we want to bring over our plates? I'll give you the phone.
After you have your yolk mixture, you just simply take a scoop and put it in the egg.
All right. How about full do we do that?
You want it popping out over the egg, but you don't want to put too much.
All right. That look about good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I always say start small and then always add because you don't want to run out.
Okay.
That's my egg trick. Tips and tricks.
Ooh, that one's a bit much.
I'm so excited to eat these.
I've never had it with bacon before, so that should be
Can you
interesting.
eat pork? Are you?
No, I don't keep
Are you
kosher.
kosher?
Not at all.
What are you doing for Easter?
For Easter, I'm actually missing Easter this year because I'm filming Thesis
Ooh. I'm not
at
going
Anime
home either.
Boston.
Because that's a long drive for 2 days.
But I
and I don't get a
did-
long weekend.
But I did color my eggs last weekend to make up for not going to Easter this weekend. I did a sea egg. My mom tried to draw a bunny on the egg before dyeing it, and it came out so creepy. So she drew a cute one on the other side, but it was a little scary because it was like a dual personality. I mean, they don't really need more. This guy might. It's a lot of,
Keep in mind we had an extra yolk from that
yeah.
bad egg. Hold on.
Yeah, we have just extra.
I mean, I'm just gonna add.
Do you want
Maybe
to take
the
that?
best friend can try the spoon.
Ew.
All right.
Once the eggs are stuffed, salt and pepper to taste.
I'm just gonna- I don't really like pepper, so.
And that is how you make a deviled egg.
Pretty good.
This like isn't a lie, like I genuinely think these are very good.
You are selling this, Eric.
For someone who doesn't like eggs, yeah.
At
I'd eat
least
these.
it's not like Jess. They're a little dry. Go Jess.
She was on the verge of a Jess thing. You're like,
The bacon really adds to it. I like the bacon.
I don't think there was too much mayonnaise.
No, there was not.
I think it's very good. Easy, simple, delicious.
Hmm.
That's all we have for this time. Tune in next month for a new treat.